In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Outlook back to its factory default settings. If Outlook has been acting up, or you simply want a clean slate, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get there safely and confidently. We'll begin by opening the Windows search and typing regedit. When you see Registry Editor in the results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If you're prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Running as an administrator is important because we're about to make changes that Windows protects by default. Before you proceed, I strongly recommend backing up the registry. This gives you a quick way to undo changes if needed. In Registry Editor, go to File, select Export, choose a safe location, set export range to all, and save the file. Keep this backup somewhere you can easily find it. Now in the left pane, double-click H key, Charge Current User. Open the software folder, then Microsoft, and then find and open Office. Inside Office, you'll see a version number such as 16. Whoa. Yours might be 15.0 or 14.0 depending on your Office version. Open your version folder, then open the Outlook folder. Inside Outlook, select the Setup folder. On the right side, look for a key named Create Welcome. If you see it, right-click it, choose Delete, and confirm by selecting Yes. If Create Welcome isn't there, look instead for a key named First Run, right-click it, delete it, and confirm. Removing one of these keys tells Outlook to behave as if it's launching for the first time, which is what resets the app back to its factory defaults. When you're done, close the Registry Editor, restart your computer so Windows can reload the updated registry settings. This step ensures the reset fully takes effect. After the restart, open the search menu, type Outlook, and launch the app. Outlook should now open as if it were newly installed, guiding you through the initial setup and allowing you to configure your accounts from scratch. If you previously had issues, this fresh start often clears them up. A quick reminder, be careful in the registry and only modify the keys shown here. If something goes wrong, restore your backup by opening Registry Editor, choosing File, Import, and selecting the file you exported earlier. That's all there is to it. Simple, effective, and a great way to start fresh with Outlook. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.